How to find trending sound music on TikTok. First thing first, head over to your application TikTok. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this For You page. From here, if you scroll the video of the For You page, all the trending sound and music will be visible to you. If not, then what you can do is click on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. And here in the search bar, you simply have to search for trending TikTok songs. It will land you on space. From here, move into sounds. And there you go, these are the trending sounds that you have it on TikTok right now. You can also head over to the section of videos. You will be able to see all of the videos that are made in the trending sounds or music. Now, if you want to use any of the sound or the music, then head over to sounds. From here, you can choose any of the song that you want to. And then, all you want to do is click on this camera icon. Now you can start recording the video with the specific trending sound and then post it on your feed. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can find trending sound music on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.